Hello everyone, we're at the Sunset Estate in Clarendon and we're here looking at the open house that they got available. So we're coming up to our building stage, so we just thought we'd check out an open house just to get some ideas, and plus we thought we'd show you guys what's actually available here as well, so come and check it out with us. We just stand here.
What are you eating there?
Oh, you got your cookie. Oh, good girl. Is that nice? Try Keith's cookie.
Yeah.
Okay. Find this step.
Hello.
Oh. Wow, look at this. Two bed, two bath.
This is starting at $34 million.
Okay, so it's 34 million.
And here you have a small patio.
Cool, let's have a look.
Just stay with us for a minute. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Look at this, it's so breezy, it's lovely. Nice bright space.
Nice little view over there as well.
Yeah.
You're kind of perched up above things slightly, aren't you? Cool.
So this is your laundry room, wash area.
Nice and big. So, fridge in there.
I know, but I'm just saying, like, this needs to go outside. So there's a space for the fridge. You've got sockets which away from. Okay, see. Away from.
And then obviously you put a hob in here.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm. So, primary bathroom.
It's bathroom number 1, guys.
Alright, out of the way.
It's a shower room.
It's low light at the moment. But yeah, you can see that you got the shower in.
Nice and clean. Yeah, please don't touch anything that they got meant.
Wow, this is a nice room.
This is the primary room. And I also want to show you guys the unit that has the furniture in, so you can see what there is.
Sounds good. Nice secure windows, nice smooth shiny floor as well, very clean, very modern. You've got high tall ceilings as well. It's lovely, nice space, good size.
This is the primary.
Okay, cool.
And this is the primary bedroom. That's the secondary bedroom.
Cool.
That's the primary. Nice. That's our storage space. It's over 1,200 square feet.
Lovely. We're looking. We're gonna go look in a minute. Smooth on the glide.
Yeah, and there's no gaps between the windows as well, which is always nice. So none of those nasties and creepy crawlies can get in,
That is true.
which they do, as we know.
We've got mosquito nets already as well.
Hazel, this isn't. One second. One sec.
Ooh, look at this one. Wow. This is the one. Look at this. Wow.
So this is how it's going to look when you put in the furniture.
Yes. Nice, nice. This does give you a better visual.
Yeah.
Much better.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Wow, look at the space. So what size TV do you reckon this is? Like a 50, 60?
No, probably like a 42.
No, it's like a
50.
65, 60.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I reckon
TV.
it's more like a 42, isn't it? Yeah, because we had, our one was 54 and it was like bigger, wasn't it? Can't you remember?
No, that one was a 65.
All right, well there you
Anyway,
go.
yeah, it's big TV.
And this is the
Theo, can you come and get your foot down? That's not how we sit. Come look through here. Oh look, this has got the doors on the cupboard. You know,
Yeah.
like we were saying.
Yeah, coats or brooms
so it's
or
got
anything.
a nice amount of storage. There's one, there's another. Right, should we go in?
I'm not sure why this is closed, but I'm gonna get some answers.
It's alright, so
Thank you. We'll stay here and we'll just look in here.
And that's the secondary, so you can take that.
wow.
Look at this bathroom.
In there.
Yes. Mind your head, sweetie. Mind your head.
Have a utility room in here, guys. Cool, man. Cool. It's alright. That's all right. Doesn't matter. We've seen it in the other one anyway, haven't we?
That's exactly it.
Yeah, it's just you're looking at like the finish and what it looks like. Exactly.
Right.
Yeah, it's all good. It's fine. The finish looks great. Melody.
Oh. The TV does not work. Thank you. No worries.
So somebody pulled up.
And the how? What's the size of this unit? 1,000, 1,200. Yeah, cool.
And it's 34 million.
34.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's lovely.
So I'm gonna reach out to you. You could probably leave me an email address.
Yeah, sounds good. So, it's nice to see both. It's nice to see it actually empty, and it's nice to see it filled.
Yeah, it is.
So we'll sit on there and break
Toby, why are you calling me Toby? How much are the EdgeChem hats?
They're not for sale.
Ah, there we go.
I need one. I need one for when I'm painting my house.
I have to have some questions first.
Do you?
Yes.
What question?
In one question.
Yeah.
So where are you living? This can located. Branch store.
I know where the one in Santa Cruz is.
That's the cruise.
On the crossroads, if you go through Santa Cruz High Street, and then
You know what that is, Jody?
it's on the corner. It's the final shop at the High Street.
Good
I
guess.
don't know the one in Jamaica. Can you tell me?
Leave that, please.
I have absolutely no idea of any of the lines and products that you offer. I would like to know more. Yeah, 100%.
Do you know anything about paint that you can tell us?
You got water-based paints, you got solvent-based paints, you got acrylic paints, you've got plastic-based paints like polymer, they call them polymer paints, and you want a different paint for a different job. So some paints you want to breathe. So if it's masonry, you want a paint that's usually either like a water-based or something that's more natural, so the masonry can breathe. Other things you want like to have a plastic coat on or whatever, yeah.
I feel like
A little bit, yeah.
Some recurring decorative.
Yes.
That could be your plasma water paint and use of water
Yes,
paint.
yes, for like
And then we have the industrial, that would be like we use like the grill and those things.
Yeah.
Then we have furniture paint, then
Yes.
we use on the furniture,
Uh-huh.
stain, varnish, all those things.
Yes.
And then we have automotive that we use to paint cars.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes.
So you're gonna use as a hat.
Yay!
Yeah,
Well done.
This is our.
Are you swapping it out?
We have a podiatry business which is like a medical foot care because Misha's a foot doctor.
I work in MediConnect,
Yes, I'm
if
gonna
you know it,
switch out.
opposite Maypen
Look,
Hospital.
I haven't had a haircut since I've come to Jamaica in like 5 months, so please don't judge me. But
Hey!
I won't be taking this off.
It suits you, look at it.
Can I get a picture of such a person?
Yes, go. Hazel, are you getting in? Hazel, come
Hazel.
here.
That's it?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, well done. I bet he will be happy. I'm telling you, with this hat, he will be happy.
Till I die now.
You are. As long as this hat lasts.
I'm repping the EdgeChem Paint.
I know you're happy with that hat.
Thank you so much. Really
Thank
appreciate
you.
the hat. I'm going to wear this.
Thank you.
Alright.
There we go.
Thank you, ladies. You need to go to. You do like painting, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. We're just going up to get some soup, aren't we? That's a nice view though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. Go TT, let's see them moves. Get some soup. Yeah. This is gonna be nice.
We just keep him away from that. Yeah. Yeah, come over. We're having a cookout. Yeah.
Really? Thank you. Thank you.
That looks amazing. Thank you so much, sir. What you got?
Same as you. Nice cup of soup. It is hot. It just burnt the back of my throat.
It's hot, spicy hot.
No, it's like. Okay, Hazel. So we're just going up to look at the view, aren't we? Oh, it's breezy up here. It's lovely. Come this way. Come, Haze. Upstairs. Come then. Do you like it? Say that again?
I do like the view.
Look at me, Hayes. Look at your cheeks, they're very rosy. Are you warm?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice and breezy up here though, isn't it? What do you think, Mel? Yeah. Not too loud. Oh, it is nice up here, to be fair. Lovely. Very cool.
Why is it upside down?
I don't know. Is that nice, dude?
Yes. Oh, come out of there, there's a wasp in there. Come on in, guys. Hi.
You can't go in that one.
So this, I know that. Yeah. Oh, can you? Oh, okay. Beautiful view. Come on. Come out here, guys. Come on. Come on. The brown kitchen. Come on. Turn around and look at the camera.